How to use more colors in Instagram chat drawing. You need to simply first open up the Instagram. Now if you tap on the Instagram DM message, which one is newly updated at the below of the screen. So here you will find all the chat of your friends. So you need to simply open up the chat of the specific person. And now here if you tap on the plus, so here you will find there's a brand new draw feature. So this is the basically a feature which recently launched. So if you tap on this one, so here you will find very limited colors. So if you want to use the more colors in this tool, you need to simply use the trick. So the trick is pretty simple. You need to simply first select the specific color, and now you need to simply tap and hold down the finger on a specific color, and here you will find the more color shades. So I want to just use here very light brown. So as you notice that previously it is not available, but now I can easily create my customized very light brown by using tap and hold down the specific color. So in this way you can easily add the more colors on Instagram draw in a new feature. So you can easily customize the specific color shade, and if you release it, so here you notice that the color will be applied to your Instagram drawing brush. So in this way you can easily add the more colors in Instagram drawing chat. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.